Traveling is amazing. It's exciting to see new places. You can learn about different cultures. Traveling makes you more understanding and open-minded. It's an experience you'll never forget. Remember your first trip to a new city, all the new sights, smells, and sounds? It's like opening a present full of surprises. Traveling can be a bit challenging, but don't worry. With a little planning, you'll be ready to explore the world. Before you go, let's plan. Planning is the first step to a successful adventure. First, where do you want to go? The world is full of amazing places waiting to be explored. Think about what you like. Do you like beaches, mountains, or big cities? Each destination offers unique experiences and adventures. Once you know where you're going, it's time to do some research. Research helps you understand what to expect and how to prepare. Look online or get a travel book. There are countless resources available to help you gather information. Learn about the places you want to see. Watch travel videos, read blogs, and check out reviews from other travelers. Find out about visas, weather, and local customs. Knowing these details can save you from unexpected surprises. It's a good idea to make a list of places you want to see each day. This helps you stay organized and ensures you don't miss out on anything important. This will help you make the most of your trip. A well-planned itinerary allows you to maximize your time and enjoy every moment of your adventure. Don't forget to pack smart. Make a packing list to ensure you have everything you need for your journey. Set reminders for important dates and times, like flights and hotel check-ins. Staying on top of your schedule is key to a smooth trip. With everything planned and packed, you're ready to embark on your adventure. Enjoy the journey and make unforgettable memories. Packing can be tricky. You want to bring everything, but your bag can only fit so much. The key is to pack light. Bring only what you need. Start with a checklist. Pack comfortable shoes, clothes for all kinds of weather, and essential toiletries. Don't forget your camera and charger. A small first aid kit is always a good idea. Remember, you can buy things you forget at your destination. Common sense. Section 5. Money matters. Let's talk about money. When traveling, managing your finances is crucial to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Before you go, exchange some of your money for the local currency. This will help you avoid high exchange rates and fees at your destination. It's a good idea to have some cash on hand for small purchases, tips, and places that don't accept cards. You can also use your credit card in many places, especially in urban areas and larger establishments. Credit cards offer convenience and often better exchange rates. Make sure you tell your bank you're traveling. Informing your bank about your travel plans will prevent your card from being flagged for suspicious activity. This will prevent any problems with using your card, ensuring you have access to your funds when you need them. Don't carry too much cash with you. It's safer to carry only what you need for the day and keep the rest in a secure place. Keep track of your spending so you don't run out of money. Use a budgeting app or a simple journal to monitor your expenses and stay within your budget. If you need more cash, use ATMs that are affiliated with your bank to avoid extra fees. Always check the exchange rates to get the best deal. By managing your money wisely, you can enjoy your trip without financial stress. Happy travels! Section 6. Embrace the journey. Traveling is a wonderful adventure. Be open to new experiences. Try new foods, talk to local people, and enjoy the journey. Don't be afraid to try something new. The best travel memories are often the unexpected ones. Relax and enjoy the ride. The world is full of amazing places to see and people to meet. So pack your bags, grab your passport, and go explore.